In front of me is Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and hit System and Update section. Now tap on Keyboard and Input method. Close this pop-up to access Manage Keyboards and hit Gboard. Lastly, you need to select Text Correction to use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip and this way activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!